Leakage testing detects any liquid leakage from the hydraulic quick coupler under normal working pressure. We use specialized leakage detection instruments that can effectively identify even the smallest leakage points, ensuring the coupler's sealing performance during long-term use. Burst pressure testing involves applying extremely high pressure to assess the coupler's ability to withstand extreme conditions. This test effectively verifies whether the coupler will experience structural damage or rupture in a high-pressure environment, ensuring its safety in real-world use. During the test, the hydraulic quick coupler is connected to pressure testing equipment, and pressure is gradually increased until the coupler breaks or reaches a point it cannot withstand. The typical burst pressure is usually 2 to 3 times the working pressure. By conducting burst pressure testing, we can determine whether the hydraulic quick coupler meets the load-bearing standards, preventing severe accidents in high-pressure system operations.